and I have a lot of lipstick. By using just one palette, I like a lot of blush. And hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Radhya again. I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion content, and today I'm going to do this amazing Rakshabandhan makeup look. So this is going to be beginner friendly, easy Rakshabandhan makeup look, and hope you are gonna love this look. So this is the outcome, and this is really easy, and I used just one palette and I created two looks in this video. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I will be doing neutral subtle eye makeup look, and then I will be doing my second look that's gonna be opposite, that's gonna be bold eye makeup look. So you can see my base is already done. So for eye makeup look, I will be using Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like, and this is 06 shade number, and कुछ इस तरह के इसके अंदर shades आप देख सकते हो. I will be using BH Cosmetic brushes. These come in 7 pack, like 7 in 1 pack. So I will be starting with this brown shade first. Just in a crease line and your eyelid. Same thing, outer corners. Now I will use another brush and just blend it properly. So I'm not using much of the eyeshadow because it is our subtle look. Now I will take the center shade. This is our shimmer shade, and just dab. If there is no pigment, you can just do it like this. Take the color now. I will be using this sugar highlighter palette and will take this shade and will put in my inner eyes. And brow bone. Now I will be using this sugar mascara. So I will be highlighting again a little bit more. I like highlighter, that's why I'm using a lot of highlighter right now. Eye makeup is done. For lips, I will be using Miss Rose lipstick palette. I will be using red. So damn creamy. Guys, can you see I just did this eye makeup look by using just one palette. If you want subtle eye makeup look that you can do in just 2 to 5 minutes, this is very subtle eye makeup look. So I will be doing the second look, and this is going to be bold eyes, and I will be using same eyeshadow palette, Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow palette, shade number 06. First we will create a crease line, and now I will be using second shade number. Don't worry about the dust off, I will clean it up. So now I will be using this red color, and same I will apply it on my outer corners. In a dark form. So this is done. I will be using this highlighter palette, and I will take this shade, shimmer shade, like my highlighter, and I will place it like this. I want it more shimmery, so I just applied my highlighter. This is done. Now I will take this flat brush and I will take this brown shade. I will just smudge it like this. Now I will use this brush, and now I will blend. Now I will use that same brush, smudger brush, and I will take this brown and red together. Dust off and now I will use this red shade only, and like this. Now I will be using sugar highlighter palette. Will take this same shade, center one, because I like this one, and in my inner corners. So basically we applied it over the crease line also. Use the eyeshadow brush, smudge it, left, right, left. So you can see eye makeup is done. I will be using sugar mascara. So guys, you can see our eye makeup is done, and I know there's some fall off, so I will just fix it. So eyes is fixed. So I will be using this tint because I like to add some blush. This is enough. I have to add more. This tint is from Face Shop and I love it so much. I like a lot of blush and I like a lot of highlighter. So I will add some highlighter. This look is almost done. For the last step I will be using this Miss Rose lip palette because I love this one, and I have a lot of lipsticks but I like this one. So for this look I will be using this shade. And also guys, if you want you can add liner as well. I don't put lot of eyeliner, so I didn't add that. You can add eyeliner also, and I just smudge the liner. For that I use brown shades, so that's why I didn't apply any eyeliner. This is the final look guys. So guys, this is the second look and I hope you like this look guys. So this is our second look. So comment down below which look do you like. Do you like first look or second look? If you like this video, I will make sure to make more of these type of videos. So yeah, hope you like this video guys. Do like, share and comment. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दो. पास में जो बेल आइकन है उसको भी प्रेस कर दो. So whenever I upload any new video, you will get notified first. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Now I will be using this